Mary Lorraine Castro. I'm your student nurse for today. May I know your name, birthday, age?
My name is Shalom C. Aquino. My age is 18 years old. My birthday is December 5, 2008.
Okay, I sanitize my hands first. Okay, explain ko lang po yung procedure. Ililipat lang po kita from wheelchair to bed po. And I will ensure your privacy po. Okay po, let's start po. Okay po, bibilang po ako ng 1 to 3. And then, tatayo po tayo ha. 1, 2, 3. Okay po, tanggalin ko lang po. Okay po. Pwede na po tayo. Nakahiga na po kayo ng maayos po, ma'am.